after I fell, not knowing I just fell on the floor, I felt secured with my classmates.
Sa dibdib na wagas,
I know that my classmates would catch me. At saka sa ilang years ng pagsasama, nandun na rin yung trust ko sa kanila.
nais kong mabuhay sa isang panahon.
You don't really trust your classmates, but you can never can tell what will happen to you.
Sa isang panahon, ang mga hiraya
I-close ko ng eyes ko at nagpahulo para ikubaan sa iba.
may pag-asa.
I realized that my classmates are trustworthy.
Iwang malaya. Halina kapatid, asawa.
At first I had my doubts.
Luhan mo ako sa
I was falling. I knew that because
ng isang panahon, wala nang ligaw.
Kapag ka na further about the fall na you know that your classmates are always there.
Sayang hangin, kagampan ng langit at lupa.
diba? Yun kasi alam ko na kaya niya.
Everything made me realize how much I trust my
Sa
friends.
isang panahon, may handog na supling ang pakikibaka sa
I just
pagitan.
felt that everything's going to be okay, especially that I completely trust my classmates, all of them.
Balang musika
I completely trusted those who were going to catch me.
ng ating hilinga. Halina kapatid, asawa, kasama.
But when my classmates called me, I felt comfortable.
Gitid ng isang panahon,
I trust my classmates and I know who to trust in.
ng isang
When they
panahon.
called me, parang it felt good kasi I learned to trust them even more.
Kagampan ng langit at lupa'y tahimik. Tayo nang mabuhay sa
Comfortable na din kasi I know that I trust my classmates.
handog na supling ang pakikibaka.
These were the people I grew up with for 10 or 11 years, and I put my complete trust in them.
There's no real problem kasi I was born to trust them.
Yes, feeling ko na okay lang kasi, I already trust them.
Lord ng ating hininga.
We hope to change someday. We hope that you can look up at us and you can be proud of us that we have been your sons and daughters.
Mabuhay sa isang panahon, kagampan ng langit at lupa'y
I think this retreat has helped us think about all the special things we did in the past. Alam namin na dahil we're mad at each other, nandun pa rin yung friendship namin. Hindi yan ma-disappear.
May pintigang tulang. Nais kong
I think that this retreat was very successful, that everything our value is towards each other and all the reactions of the
panahon, ang mga hiraya ay magbibinhiri. Lupain